if you're someone who travels frequently or just enjoys keeping tabs on flights, you might have heard of Flighty. But does this app actually deliver on its promise of being the best flight tracking tool out there? Let's find out. Flighty is designed to provide real-time flight tracking, offering features that cater to both casual travelers and aviation enthusiasts. Right off the bat, the interface feels sleek and intuitive, making it easy to search for flights by number or route. You can see live updates, including delays and gate changes, which is crucial for anyone trying to avoid airport chaos. One of the standout features is the comprehensive flight history, allowing users to see past flights, which can be useful for frequent flyers wanting to keep track of their travel patterns. The app also offers notifications so you won't miss any important updates while you're on the go. However, there are a few areas where Flighty feels a bit lacking. For instance, while it covers a wide range of airlines, some users have reported that smaller carriers aren't as thoroughly tracked. This could be a deal breaker for those who fly with low-cost airlines frequently. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, Flighty's user-friendly design and real-time updates are definitely its strong suits. It's a great tool for those who want to stay informed about their flights without the hassle. However, there are some frustrations as well. The lack of coverage for certain smaller airlines can be disappointing, especially for budget travelers. Additionally, while the app is free to download, some features require a subscription, which might deter casual users who don't want to commit financially. Overall, Flighty might not be for everyone, particularly if you often fly with less mainstream airlines. But if you're a frequent traveler who values detailed tracking and notifications, it could be a valuable addition to your travel toolkit. In conclusion, Flighty is a solid choice for those who prioritize real-time flight tracking and a clean user interface. If you're a frequent flyer, it's definitely worth a try. However, if you often use smaller airlines or want a completely free option, you might want to explore alternatives.